If you are looking to remove trees, brush, small stumps, or old fences, the PE3000 Predator Extractor by Shaver Manufacturing is the tool for you. This newly redesigned tree and post puller sets the standard for quality and design. Weighing in at 490 pounds and carrying a 1-year warranty, the Predator Extractor features a quick-attach skid steer connection and comes standard with brush guard, flat-face couplers, and sleeve-protected hoses. With industry-leading 30-inch long jaws, you will have improved visibility from your skid steer to perform delicate tasks such as removing T-posts and small saplings without crushing or stripping them. When you really need to get down to business, the 1-inch thick jaws open to a massive 19.5 inches, allowing you to pull the largest of posts and carry stumps, rocks, trees, and brush, all with one attachment. Whether you are looking to remove old fence, clean up pasture, CRP, field edges, or waste ground, the Predator Extractor from Shaver Manufacturing is the one-man attachment for the job. Make now the time to take control of your land with the Predator Extractor from Shaver Manufacturing.